So today saya ada satu today we have one video to unbox. But really, thank you bro. So we got here is a tough solar model for the GW-7900, also known as Moto in Malaysia, for one of the movie that come out past year. Module is T3193 or 3200. So this is the packaging, the standard packaging for G-Shock. The watch itself. This is the GW-7900B. Seems to be a US model, an older model. Let's see what we can get from the back. It's made in Thailand, water resistance, GW-7900B, stainless steel, 302. This code here, 302. Let's see it. 302A. That's the factory number, which I don't know. 345H. I was told that A is the number that I will put the year of production. 345 is the day within that year. So it's, if I'm not mistaken, it's either 2007 or 2017. So this is the GW-7900B, B for the black model, that comes with tough solar. Okay, now better lighting. So if you can see there is a display showing power save feature and tough solar. There is a small indication there. I can't see it from the monitor. It shows that the power save feature is on and the tough solar charging battery is at high. And the other features that we have are, as per here, snooze, alarm, signal, hourly signal, and auto lights. Let's enable auto light. Okay, so the basic features are, there's a tight display, depends on hour, world time, alarm, stopwatch, timer, and back to date. To change between the tide and moon data, just press A for adjust. So from tide displays the current tide level. month and day, and data will be updated at 6 a.m. daily. So the next one is to check on the moon data. This is the moon age 6.1, current month and day, and moon phase. Let's see the moon phase. See. It's about the similar size as the square watch. It's or the GBA 800 or the GA 800 or GA 700 GBD 800, sorry.